Welcome to our channel, where we take you on a captivating journey to explore the hidden gem of Indonesia, Lombok Island. This serene haven, away from mainstream tourism, offers pristine beaches, waters, and lush greenery. Experience the rich cultural heritage of the indigenous Sasak people. Tantalize your taste buds with the island's spicy local ball. Encounter the thrilling Mount Rinjani, one of Indonesia's active volcanoes, or unwind at the tranquil Gili Islands. Lombok Island is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey to explore hidden paradise. Imagine pristine white sand beaches meeting crystal clear turquoise waters. Welcome to Lombok's beaches. Unspoiled and serene, these coastal beauties are where the sky's blues merge with the seas, creating a mesmerizing panorama that soothes the soul. Every grain of sand tells a story of tranquility, while the rhythmic symphony of the waves whispers tales of the island's charm. Among the many stunning beaches, Tanjung An and Kuta Beach stand out, drawing visitors with their natural allure. Tanjung An, with its crescent-shaped coast and tranquil azure waters, is a haven for those seeking solace in nature's lap. On the other hand, Kuta Beach, with its sparkling sand and lively vibe, serves as a perfect backdrop for a vibrant day under the sun. But the beauty of Lombok's beaches isn't confined to the land. Beneath the shimmering waters lies an underwater wonderland teeming with life. Diving and snorkeling enthusiasts will find themselves surrounded by a rainbow of tropical fish, darting among vibrant coral gardens. Witnessing the underwater spectacle, you realize that nature's artistry knows no bounds. Here in Lombok, the sea doesn't just offer a visual treat, it invites you to become part of its world. Whether you're plunging into the depths with a scuba tank or exploring the surface with a snorkel, you're bound to encounter an array of fascinating marine creatures. From playful clownfish to graceful manta rays, the underwater realm of Lombok is a treasure trove of biodiversity. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, the beaches of Lombok transform into a picturesque canvas. It's a sight to behold, a moment to cherish, a day well spent. From sunbathing on the soft sands to swimming with the fishes, from watching the sunset to stargazing at night, Lombok's beaches promise an unforgettable tropical experience. They are not just stretches of sand, they are gateways to adventures, relaxation, and memories waiting to be made. With every wave that caresses the shore, Lombok's beaches beckon, inviting you to discover their wonders and lose yourself in their enchanting beauty. Lombok is not just about natural beauty, it's a cultural treasure trove, home to the indigenous Sasak people. The Sasak people, who make up about 85% of Lombok's population, have a rich cultural heritage that is deeply intertwined with their daily lives. This culture, steeped in centuries-old traditions, is a beautiful blend of Islamic beliefs and ancient animistic practices. Let's start with the traditional Sasak villages, Sade and Ende, where the Sasak people have preserved their unique way of life. Here, you'll find houses made of bamboo, wood, and cow dung, designed to remain cool in the tropical heat. These villages are a living testament to the Sasak's sustainable lifestyle, which respects nature and utilizes its resources wisely. The Sasak people are known for their skills in weaving and pottery. Women, adorned in brightly colored traditional attire, can be seen weaving intricate patterns on handlooms, creating beautiful textiles known as ikat. Meanwhile, the men engage in pottery, sculpting stunning earthenware pots with their skilled hands. Music and dance play a significant role in Sasak culture. The gondrung, a lively traditional dance, is often performed at weddings and other celebrations. Accompanied by the rhythmic beats of traditional Sasak instruments, dancers move gracefully, telling stories of love and life through their movements. The Sasak people are also known for their unique wedding traditions. One such tradition is the Bao Nyala festival, where young men and women gather to catch sea worms as a part of a romantic ritual. This festival is a colorful spectacle that symbolizes the Sasak's deep connection with the sea. Religion, specifically Islam, is deeply embedded in Sasak culture. The call to prayer resonates throughout the villages 5 times a day, and many Sasak people make the pilgrimage to Mecca, reflecting their devout faith. A visit to Lombok is incomplete without immersing in the rich Sasak culture. This vibrant culture, a fascinating blend of tradition and religion, is a testament to the Sasak's resilience and their love for their land. It's a culture that welcomes visitors with open arms, inviting them to experience and appreciate their unique way of life. Ready for a culinary journey? Lombok's cuisine is a tantalizing blend of flavors waiting to be explored. Lombok's food scene is a vibrant tapestry woven with a myriad of tastes, textures, and tantalizing aromas. At its heart is the traditional Sasak cuisine, a unique culinary tradition that reflects the island's rich cultural heritage and diverse natural bounty. One of the cornerstones of Sasak cuisine is ayam taliwang, a beloved local dish that's sure to get your taste buds tingling. This succulent chicken dish is marinated in a blend of exotic spices and herbs, then grilled to perfection over an open flame. The result is a fiery, flavorful delight that packs a punch with every bite. Ayam taliwang is a testament to the island's love for bold, spicy flavors and is a must-try for any food enthusiast. But Sasak cuisine isn't just about meat. Vegetarians, too, have a lot to relish. Take plessing kangkong, for instance. This vibrant dish features freshwater spinach tossed in a spicy sambal made from chili, shrimp paste, and tomatoes. It's a simple yet satisfying dish that showcases the fresh, natural ingredients that Lombok is blessed with. Another local favorite is sat bulayak, a delicious skewer of tender, marinated beef served with a side of bulayak rice cakes, all drenched in a mouth-watering peanut sauce. It's a flavorful symphony of taste that perfectly encapsulates the essence of Lombok's cuisine. What sets Sasak cooking apart is its unique blend of spices and ingredients. The secret lies in the bumbu, a spice paste that forms the base of many dishes. It's a complex concoction made from a variety of ingredients like garlic, ginger, turmeric, and chili, all ground together to create a paste that imparts depth and flavor to the dishes. From fiery grilled meats to refreshing vegetable dishes, Lombok's cuisine is a gastronomic journey that takes you through a world of flavors. Each dish tells a story, a tale of tradition, culture, and a love for good food. Lombok's cuisine is indeed a gastronomic delight that leaves you craving for more. Seeking adventure, Lombok's Mount Rinjani promises an adrenaline-pumping experience. Mount Rinjani, standing majestically at over 12,000 feet, is Indonesia's second highest volcano. It's not just a mountain, it's a living, breathing part of Lombok's landscape, an entity that captivates with its sheer size and the mythical aura that surrounds it. To conquer Rinjani is no small feat. The trek is challenging, with steep paths, rocky terrains, and unpredictable weather. But every huff and puff, every bead of sweat is worth it. The journey up the mountain is a feast for the senses, with a changing landscape that takes you through lush forests, across vast savannas, and past cascading waterfalls. And then, there's the summit. Witnessing the sunrise from the peak of Rinjani is an experience that words can barely do justice. As the first rays of the sun break through the darkness, the world comes alive in a spectacle of colors. The sky transforms from a deep indigo to a blaze of oranges and pinks, casting a magical glow on the landscape below. But the marvels of Rinjani don't stop at the summit. Descend into the crater and you'll find a sight that seems straight out of a fantasy novel. A stunning crater lake, known as Sagara Anak. The lake, with its turquoise blue waters, is a stark contrast to the rugged volcanic landscape around it. It's a serene spot, a perfect place to rest and soak in the ethereal beauty of nature. The journey up Rinjani is not just about the destination, it's about the journey itself. It's about pushing your limits, about stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing the unknown. It's about the camaraderie of fellow trekkers, the shared moments of awe, and the sense of accomplishment that comes with reaching the top. Conquering Mount Rinjani is an adventure that etches in your memory forever. It's not just a mountain, it's a testament to the power and beauty of nature. And for those brave enough to take on the challenge, it's an experience that leaves a lasting imprint, a story that you'll carry with you long after you've descended from its lofty heights. Welcome to the Gili Islands, a trio of tiny islands offering a slice of paradise. Nestled within the azure embrace of the Indian Ocean, these islands are an integral part of Lombok's charm and allure. Each island, with its unique personality and distinct charm, offers an unforgettable experience. Gili Trawangan, the largest and most popular of the three, is known for its vibrant nightlife and stunning underwater world. Here, you can dive into the clear turquoise waters, exploring a mesmerizing world of diverse marine life, from colorful coral reefs to playful turtles. If you're not much of a diver, you can simply soak up the sun on the pristine sandy beaches, or take a leisurely bike ride around the island, free from the noise and pollution of motorized vehicles. Gili, the smallest and quietest island, is a sanctuary for those seeking tranquility and intimacy. This is the perfect place to escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in the serene beauty of nature. Imagine walking along the quiet beaches, listening to the gentle lullaby of the waves, or simply lying under the star-studded sky, losing yourself in the vastness of the universe. Finally, Gili, the perfect blend of its two siblings, offers a balance of lively social scenes and peaceful retreats. Here, you can explore the local village life, engage in water sports, or simply unwind on the beach with a good book, all while enjoying the island's laid-back charm. The Gili Islands are not just about the beaches and the sea, though. They also offer a range of activities from yoga retreats to cooking classes, promising something for everyone. Whether you're an adventurer, a peace seeker, or a social butterfly, these islands have something to offer you. So, if you're planning a trip to Lombok, make sure to include the Gili Islands in your itinerary. Dive into the clear waters, explore the vibrant coral gardens, soak up the sun on the sandy beaches, or simply relax and enjoy the serene atmosphere. The Gili Islands, a perfect escape within an escape. Lombok Island, a hidden gem that offers a mix of relaxation, adventure, and cultural enrichment. As we wrap up our journey, let's take a moment to recap the highlights of this enchanting Indonesian paradise. We started our journey exploring the island's pristine white sand beaches and diving into the crystal clear turquoise waters, home to a vibrant array of marine life. A true paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. We delved into the rich cultural heritage of Lombok, showcasing the traditional Sasak way of life, their vibrant festivals, and fascinating local markets. A place where the past meets the present, offering a cultural experience like no other. We tantalized our taste buds with the unique flavors of Sasak cuisine, a culinary delight that offers a unique blend of spices and ingredients. A gastronomic experience that leaves you craving for more. Our journey led us to the iconic Mount Rinjani, a challenge for the adventurous souls, offering breathtaking sunrises from the summit, a testament to Lombok's diverse and awe-inspiring landscapes. We then hopped over to the enchanting Gili Islands, a trio of idyllic islands that offer a glimpse into a picture-perfect paradise. A place to unwind, to explore, and to simply enjoy the serene atmosphere. Lombok's rich history, from ancient times through to its Hindu-Buddhist period, Islamic influence, and Dutch colonial period, tells a story of a diverse and dynamic past that has shaped the island we see today. Lombok Island is more than just a destination. It is an experience that captivates your senses, immerses you in its culture, and leaves you with unforgettable memories. It's a place where you can find relaxation on the pristine beaches, adventure on the towering Mount Rinjani, and cultural enrichment in the traditional Sasak villages. So, when are you planning your escape to Lombok Island? Enjoyed the journey through Lombok Island? This mesmerizing paradise has so much more to offer, and we're eager to take you along on this virtual adventure. But we need your support to continue bringing such intriguing content. By subscribing to our channel, you become part of our growing community of explorers, adventure seekers, and culture enthusiasts. We promise to keep unveiling more hidden gems, unraveling unknown cultures, and unearthing local treasures from around the globe. Your subscription means the world to us. It fuels our passion and drive to continue our explorations. So go ahead, click on that subscribe button. It's just a tap away, but it makes all the difference. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this remarkable journey. Until next time, keep exploring.